a millionaire. Now look at your neighbor. Say, neighbor, look at me very well. Very soon, you look for me, and you can only see me among the millionaires. So my neighbor, please take me as your friend, because after tonight, you have to book appointment to meet me. Now clap for yourself and clap for your neighbor. Whoa. Ladies and gentlemen, before I take you through the class for the day, the main reason why we are here, I want to bring you a very, very good news. DJ Spoo just entered the building, and very soon he'll be here with us. Please, if you are tempted to go, you are just about to miss the biggest event you are about to encounter this year. Number two, please, those of you who have been looking around to see whether you can see Madam Titi, well, last night she sent me a message that Solomon, unfortunately, the South African embassy in Nigeria had a challenge, so they couldn't issue me with a visa. So she says she sends her love to you all, but the good news is that she's here with us in spirit. Please give cheer up to the number one in Africa, Madam Titi. Wow, ladies and gentlemen, I am going to speak for only a few minutes, and when I'm done, I'm assuring you this. Your business, number one, will move to the next level. Number two, you, the person, you move to the higher level. Let me see those of you here want to be star directors. Wave, 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 wave. Wow. Wow. Who doesn't want to be star director? Right. I don't want to be star director. I want to be a multi-billionaire. You know why? After 5-star director, what else? Because listen to me, you will become a 5-star director one day. Somebody hear me. I said you will become a 5-star director one day. After 5-star director, what else? Say, I want to be a billionaire. My training for you this afternoon is to gear you with the billionaire mindset. If you think of star directorship, you'll be disappointed. If you think of star directorship, you will think you have missed it. I want to be a billionaire. So I am building foundations. I am building business that will take me there. That is why I am not going to quit anytime soon. Those who are quitting is simply because they want something that looks far from them. But when you have the vision of a billionaire and you have a platform, a system like Longreach, if even to take you 10 years, you are going to activate it. You know why? Our manager, our founder is a multi-billionaire. Please, can you give me my slide? Can I get my slide? Good. So, how much are you worth? You are worth more than a star director. Say, I am worth more than a star director. You know why I'm telling you this? You are working with a multi-billion-dollar company. Let your vision be bigger. That's why I don't want you to play too safe. Please, safety, the best place you can get safety is in the cemetery. Say after me, the cemetery. In this business, if you want to play safe, then go to the cemetery. Play like a player. Play like someone who wants to win the world. So I put here, playing safe is not always safe. After this master class, please go all out. Go all out. The billions that are waiting you are not in the comfort zone, are not in the comfort moment. Next slide. I put here, any business that is run on common sense will only give you common results. That's why I gathered here. I pity those who didn't come. Listen to me. There is no success without capacity. Say capacity. Any man that receives capacity and is able to build himself goes beyond the limit. I don't know about you, but I call myself unlimited. I call myself limitless. Your child wants to be a doctor. Your child wants to be an engineer. But they have to go through school. For how many years? 10 years, 20 years or more. But the child at this early stage, when you ask him, hey, Eric, what do you want to be? I want to be a doctor. It has happened. But Eric has to go through the process. Say process. In Africa, we don't like going through process, so we use common sense. Listen to me. Long Reach is in Africa to raise billionaires. But listen to me. It will not operate on common knowledge. You need uncommon knowledge. Give me my next slide. To be able to do that, you have to raise your personal value. Say to me, my personal value. Most of you see PVs and you want PVs. Listen to me. PV simply stands for personal value. When you put value on yourself, you become PV magnetized. I sit in the comfort of my bedroom in my boxer shorts on my bed with my laptop, and people call me, I want to sign under you. People are bringing PV because I put value on my person. Look at something here. Look at something here. How much is this? This is 100 rand. Am I right? Is it 100 rand? Is it good money? It can do something. Now, if I squeeze this money this way, is it still 100 rand? Are you sure? Are you sure it's still 100 rand? Are you sure? I put the money down. I step on it. Is it still 100 rand? Hey, are you sure? But it has changed. Is the value the same? Is the value the same? Now look at something. Listen, if you forget everything, this should not forget this. Is this still 100 rand? Yes. I can tap it. I can tap it. It's still 100 rand. It's still 100 rand. Listen, you are a billionaire. It doesn't matter what you have gone through. It doesn't matter you have built Diamond 3, Diamond 4, and you are still there. You are a star director. Listen. Your value does not change by your current status. Even though this money is torn apart, it's still 100 rand. All it needs is the tape. Listen, most of you, your tape is this masterclass. This masterclass has come to tape you. Listen to me. As you are going out there, go and tell your team, our value is still the same. We are star directors. We are billionaires. Listen, the value is premised on your mindsets. I don't call myself a star director. I call myself chief servant officer. I call myself a rising billionaire out of Africa. Because, listen, to dream is free. Why not dream big? Next slide. Next slide. So, what are the 4 steps to increase your personal value? You see all these wonderful star directors. I hail you all. Vivi, I salute you. Happy. Pastor Solly, Brother Jerry, Elsie. Hey, Pastor K, God bless you all. Today is their day, so let's address them. Now, do you know why they are star directors? Because they have something they call attention to personal value. And they took this step. I call it the 3DS. The 3D stands for determination. Vivian was determined. Elsie was determined. How determined are you? Ask your neighbor. Your determination is determined by the way you are looking at other network. Some of you, as you are sitting right now, there is another network you are looking at. You are not determined. There's one online something. Number 2, dedication. You see, some people are living, but some are still staying. It's called dedication. Those same people are living. They can go and sit down at funeral from morning till evening to go and bury human being. Don't leave. But for their business, they are going. After 3 months, the value will not be the same. Number 3, discipline. Say discipline. Oh, say discipline. Say discipline. When I was sitting there, I was just watching those who were speaking. I said, they are not disciplined. They gave you 3 minutes, and you're speaking at 3 minutes. It's indiscipline. Let's say it. This is master class. Listen, an entrepreneur is the person who can first rule himself. Discipline has denied great men of great tomorrow. The last but not the least is sacrifice. Say sacrifice. When I see SDLC traveling all over, when I see SD Happy traveling all over to go and help a team in Namibia, when I see LD Vivian traveling, it is called sacrifice. She's seen it all. She could have sat at home and said, you know what, I'm done. The PVs are coming. The weekly bonus are coming. But she sacrificed to go and speak to sometimes few people. You know what? In life, what you sacrifice for will die for you. What you sacrifice for will die for you. Many know where they want to go, but have not taken time to learn how to get there and remain there. Everybody wants to be a star director. Listen, star directorship is not accident. If you enter by star directorship by accident, you will exit by accident. And you know it already in South Africa. But if you work your way through, you remain there. So everything you must achieve in Long Reach and your business comes through a process. Say process. When we say process, you think process means, it will take time. The P simply stands for preparation. Say preparation. Listen, until you prepare for your victory, you will lose. When I joined Long Reach, I put my date. When I'll be Diamond 4, when I'll be Diamond 5, when I'll be Diamond 6, when I'll be Star Director. There was a plan, there was a preparation, there was an activity line. I deliberately took steps. Hello? I said hello. Now listen. When you go to the school of billionaires, when you say hello, they respond hi. The poor will say, So let's try again. Hello? No, the guys here are too cool. Let me come here. Say hello. Yeah. Prepare. What you don't prepare for will plan your life. The R stands for responsibility. Listen, responsibility has denied Africans of the great things God has packaged for us. You see, when you are not responsible, nothing will respond to you. When you are responsible, everything will respond to you. I don't sleep more than 4 hours. Nobody is chasing me. But I've told myself, if Microsoft, Bill Gates, if Jeff Bezos, the richest man in the world, Amazon, is not sleeping more than 4 hours, why should I sleep? I want to be a billionaire. Responsibility. When you are responsible, your team will reflect it. O stand for opportunity. Listen, people who are in process take opportunities. When your team members call you, I have these people, there can be 2 people, there can be 1 person, go and meet them. Every opportunity you get to do your business, do it. Even when you are sick, do it. Even when you are tired, do it. Even when you are down, do it. Even when the pay is not coming, do it. Say, do it. You know what? That one of the key difference between the rich and the poor is in their doing it. The poor are complaining. The poor are waiting for the storms to settle. The poor are waiting for a better time. But the rich, they just do it. Say it with me, just do it. Now you know what? After you leave, the people tell you, this Long Reach, are you sure it's still operating in South Africa? Look at your face and say, just do it. When you leave, people tell you, so I hear they are bringing some new product. Are they serious? Look at your face and say, just do it. When you leave, people tell you, they are not paying nowadays. My PVs are little. Look at your face and tell them, just do it. Just. The C stands for create your destiny, create your future. Listen, you must create your life. You see, the life you don't create will not manifest. God created the world. He came, the world was in a mess. Create your life. I told myself before the end of this year, I am buying 2 houses. So every money I get from Long Reach, I am working towards it. I've already started buying the first one. 2 Long Reach. Create your life. That is called process. The next one is education. That's why we are here. Please, after this, go and educate yourself. You see, ignorance on fire is better than knowledge on ice. But that doesn't mean you shouldn't go for knowledge. Because knowledge will differentiate between you and the ordinary man. Educate yourself everywhere. You don't need to go and read books if you don't have time. Listen to very good materials from YouTube, audio tapes in your car. Some of you, when we enter your car, it's a stadium, sports stadium, football. Please, my car is a university. By the time I come out of my car, I have educated myself because I listen to audio books. I listen to things that build my capacity. Next. My favorite. Say Listen. Strategy. The world is ruled by strategic people. Until you strategize, everything will just fall like that. Strategy is what differentiates the most successful and the average. Every time I strategize. Listen, the way I will handle Mr. A is not the way I will handle Mr. DJ's Boo. Listen, there's a way you handle a Nigerian. You can't handle a South African, the same thing. It's called strategy. Listen, before I meet my prospect, I go online, study you, break you down. Know you, know what you like, know your colors, everything I can know about you. So by the time I meet you, I even wear the color you like. It's called strategy. Listen, my strategy, I don't meet people in church building. I don't meet people at malls. I meet people in 5-star hotel lobby. Because the 5-star hotel alone is 50% of acceptance. The remaining 50% is my ambience and the message I'll take to you. Process is what makes star directors. Next. Listen, after all this, be consistent with it. Oh yes, you do tomorrow, then 3 weeks you don't do it. Consistency is the mother of result. Write it down. Write it down. Consistency is the mother of result. If you want to have result, be very consistent. Those of us who are married, the men, when we are firing, we have to be consistent. We have to be consistent. We have to be consistent. We fire, say fire. And then all of a sudden, power. All of a sudden, power. When it is released, then we are free. If you are not consistent, your business will be up today, it will be done tomorrow. Up today, down tomorrow. Those who are quitting is simply because they are not consistent. And listen to me, there is no network that will recruit you and say, just join every week, get paid. Please, if you see them, come and register me. I'll be your downline. Join us, do nothing, we'll pay you every week. More than $50,000. Come and see me. Let's go. Leadership cannot be inherited. There's no way Madam Vivi will tell you, now I don't want to be a star director. Inherit me. Or Vivi will say, come, let me pray for you to become a star director. Or I'm giving you the unction. It's not done. It is worked at. So when you live here, remember W-O-R-K. Work. 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 When I stay at Long Reach, sometimes my wife can't see me for 3 months. Now, I bought a house for her. I bought a house for her from Long Reach. You see, you are jealous. You are not clapping for. Next. Some people stop because they thought it was hard and difficult. But listen to me. The law of the universe says that when a thing is done often, it becomes easy. So rather, those who are living, and those of you who are planning to live, and those of you who are thinking of living, it's not going to be easier. Now you're going to start recruiting all over. And you are growing older. Your children need you. We're not growing younger. Nobody's growing younger. Very soon I'll be 40. So you leave this one and go and start again. Then new one will come. You leave it, go and start again. Then new one will come. When will you roof your building? Next. So I put here the comfort zone mentality. Everybody wants to be comfort. There are 3 zones in life. How many zones? 4 zones. 4 zones. We have the comfort zone, fear zone, learning zone, and then the growth zone. The comfort zone is difficult. Me, I don't like this network. This product, I call them lack of self-confidence. Feel safe and control. Please migrate from the comfort zone to a zone I call the fear zone. People don't go to the fear zone. The fear zone is when the giant in you come out. The fear zone is when you bring out the best out of you. Some of you, there are billions seated in you. There are lions rolling in you. There are giants in you. But because of fear, lack of self-confidence, find excuses. Wait. Go back. Be affected by others' opinion. Somebody says it's not, so you two are taking it. When you buy people's opinion, you are buying their lifestyle. Look at their life. Then the next zone is learning zone. That's what we are. The learning zone. Most of you hate it. But let me tell you something. You cannot, listen, to be great, learning is inevitable. To be great, learning is inevitable. Deal with challenges and problems. You came, you didn't bring your downline, and you are comfortable. God is watching you. Acquire new skills. Look at what you are learning. Some of you are not even writing. By dancing, you are dancing. Extend your comfort zone. Some of you have to extend your comfort zone. Then you move to the growth zone. Where Madam Essie, Pastor OK, Pastor Jerry, Mama Vivi, and Happy, where they are, it's called the growth zone. These guys can choose not to work again and just invest and diversify. They'll be rich. Go. Let's go. So in the growth zone, you find your purpose, you live your dreams, set new goals, conquer objectives. I am in the growth zone, but I want somebody to also say, through this guy, I became a millionaire. So I'm still learning and fear and then comfort zone with them so we can bring them together. Let's go. Next. So what is the way forward? It's simple. I put here, the cave you fear to enter holds the treasure that you seek. What you are afraid of sometimes doesn't even exist. The Bible says there were 4 lepers at the gate of Samaria. They were afraid to go to the Syrian land, the enemy land, because they know when they go, they will either kill them or give them food. Because there was famine in Samaria. And the Bible said they gathered courage. At twilight, they went to the enemy's camp. And behold, when they got there, there was no man there. Listen, there's nothing called fear. It's a mirage. The thing that you are afraid of is carrying your treasure. When they got to the land of the enemy, the Bible says they were able to harvest. They got gold, they ate, and saved their nation. Let's go. Quickly, go. Go. Now, do not lend an ear to discouragement coming from someone who gave up on their dreams. Never forget this. The person who has not been to where you are going cannot tell you how that place looks like. Donald Trump, Brian Tracy, Robert Kiyosaki, William Branson, they all said if they are to start all over again, they'll find a good network marketing company like Longreach and get to work. Billionaires are recommending it. And a Tenlonier is telling you there's a better company. Never lend an ear to discouragement coming from somebody who gave up on their goals. Let's go quickly. I put here. Go. I want to take you to 5 minutes. Wait. Right. I want to take you through 5-minute wealth creation strategy. Then I'm done. Listen to me. When you know the platform on which you stand, you know how to stand and how to walk. When you are given a 2-legged chair, you know how to sit. When you are given a 4-legged chair, there's a way you sit. When you are given a 5-legged chair, there's a way you sit. Those of you can see on the screen there, what I'm showing you are the 20 richest men in the world. These are the 20 richest men in the world. If you are here and you don't know the 20 richest men in the world and you want to be a billionaire, you have already failed. Start all over. Without any approach. No, you cannot talk about football and you don't know about Lionel Messi and Cristiano Ronaldo. I want to be a billionaire, so I've studied on the lives of 100 billionaires and 500 millionaires and what they do every day. The richest among them is Jeff Bezos, the owner of Amazon. Now, I'm showing you this picture because, number one, these guys, none of them is from Africa. Hello? Hi. Speak like a billionaire. Say hi. Hello? Hi. Hello? Hi. None of them is from Africa. First 20. Number one. Number two, the business they are into are the modern trend, the current 21st century way of doing business, the virtual business. What does Amazon do? Happy? Amazon. What do they do? E-commerce. They have a platform. What does Bill Gates do? Microsoft platform. Alibaba platform. What does Longreach offer you? The people here, they don't like me. Let's come here. What does Longreach offer you? I think I'll stay here. What does Longreach offer you? Now, don't worry. I'll still step on it. Because I want you to remember this. Listen. The Bible says, go ye to the ants and learn from its ways. He said, he who wants to be rich, just study what the rich do. These are rich guys controlling our earth now. What are they doing? They are using platforms. When I got this concept, I have an MBA. I throw it away. I got a platform called Longreach. Within just 1.5 years, I bought a 4 ultra-modern house in the center of Accra, Ghana. I mean, ultra-modern, a gated community, because I found a way, and my asset I've acquired within this period is far more than what I've acquired for the past 30-something years of my life. What I'm telling you is that you are doing the same thing these guys are doing, and what made them number one in the world is they kept at it. Please, the industrial manufacturer age is good. But in the 21st century, the smartest way to make money is using systems and platforms. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So I said we have all been bestowed with the power to create wealth. God said, I give you power to create wealth. Listen. God will give you power to create wealth. God won't give you money. When you pray, you can pray for 1,000 years, money will not come. But God will give you the power. Now, when you have power and you sleep with power, what will happen? Nothing. So the power God has given you, bring it on the Long Reach platform. And then that platform will then make you a millionaire. If I tell you my bank account balance, when we leave here, you follow me, so I won't tell you. That is why I said I am not a star director, I am a billionaire. Listen, I have left the realms of buying cars. I'm in the realms of buying houses and private jets. Listen to me. I want you to dream, but dream big. To dream is free. Say it is free. Why dream small? William Shakespeare said, when you go to the moon, target the moon, the sun. When you meet the sun, you fall on the moon. Let's go quickly. So you have to have quite opportunity cost. When Long Reach gives you money every week, I love what Apostle did. Every week, don't eat all your money. Most networkers are poor because they consume everything. That's why I don't call myself networker. I am an entrepreneur. Entrepreneurs reimburse in their business and they invest. Networkers spend and show off. For what? Who are you pleasing? Hello? You see, you are guilty, so you're not clapping. You are guilty, so you're not clapping. From this room, begin from today, begin to save. Begin to save. There's something called seed time and harvest time. As the earth remaineth, it will not cease. Even Jesus must be conceived before he was born and saved us. You must conceive. Conceive me, save. Let's go, quick. I put 5 routes that will guarantee you wealth. If you want to be wealthy, follow these rules. If you want to be rich, don't follow. Riches is just have money on you. Wealth is you, the person. Bill Gates can come here with nothing, but he's wealthy. But that's money on him. Number 1, real estate. Start investing to real estate. Quickly buy houses. Buy lands. Don't chop all the money. Number 2, paper assets. Some of you go to the banks, buy treasury bills, buy fixed deposit. Let your money work for you. That's all. Number 3, automated businesses. I am a brand on social media. Banks call me, come and train our salesmen. Insurance company call me, come and train our staff. It's called automated business. The thing is there. And then they are saying, oh, so you are a sales trainer. We need you. How much would you charge us? I said, I am worth this amount per 30 minutes. And I talk big. Don't talk small. I talk big, then we talk it down. It's better to start from the top and come down. Just one Facebook page. I'm doing nothing. When I'm sleeping, people are watching and calling me, hi, is this Solomon? Is someone speaking? Now change my voice. Yeah, it's me. Talk like, we wanted your service, but well, then I'll check my calendar till my PA will get back to you. And my wife is my PA. I don't want any trouble. My wife is my PA. Simple. Intellectual property. Some of you have so much, you have not packaged it. Please, apart from your Long Reach business, package something within you. Package something within you. That is why I am coming out with 5 dangerous books. I have written them and they are coming out. Package them, let them do some work for you. And then, the 5th wonder of the world, multi-level marketing. If you are not here, you are missing something. The last one, that is where people are getting changed. People are getting transformed. Network marketing is one of the wonders people don't understand. It works on the law of compound interest. It's in the Bible, where the Bible says 1 will chase 1,000, but 2 will chase 10,000. Mathematically, it is wrong. Because if 1 is 1,000, 2 is what? 2,000. People don't understand why we make so much money because of this. Because when people come together, each one doing a little, we achieve extraordinary results. Listen to me. If you want to be successful, faster, apart from all I've shown you, network marketing is one of the fastest routes to the top. Engage it. Let's go quickly. So to do that, you get what's called passive income. Network is passive income. You do something once, you get an every day. Vivi joined Long Reach once. But every Thursday, what happens? No, here is Saturdays. Fridays. Ghana is Thursdays. Passive income. Passive income is the opposite of active income. Active income is for employees. Active means it might be active. If you are there, you get paid. If you're not there, forget it. But passive income, even when you're dead and gone, you make money. Let's go quickly. So, how do I create passive income? Get partnership. And you know the good things? We are one of the best partners in the world. Long Reach International. Let's go quickly. Quickly. Why partnership? Partnership give what I call leverage. The most successful people in life are premised on leverage. Do you know Bill Gates doesn't even own up to 10% of Microsoft? Oh, hello. I'm teaching you. Go and check. Bill Gates, the owner of Microsoft, that we all know, he doesn't even own up to 10% of the company. Yeah. It's called leverage. It's called partnership. It's called strategic alliance. Please, when you join Long Reach, you are not just a distributor. You are a partner. That's why we have packages. So me, I don't come as a network. I say, I'm a partner with a multi-billion-dollar manufacturing conglomerate from Asia. That's who I am. So when you come to me and say, there's this new company, I ask you, how old are you? Number one. Number two, how many products do you have? Number three, are you a billion-dollar company? If you're not, forget it. Leverage is what is making us change lives. You see the lives that have changed in South Africa. People are buying cars. People are changing. I saw the house. There was tears in my eyes. The lady, when she moved to the other house, I said, wow, this is the doing of the Lord. This is blessing through Long Reach. Why? Leverage. Leverage. Let's go quickly. Let's go. Let money work for you. When you leverage, money works for you. I do nothing now. I put money in my Long Reach startup. Is working for me. All I do now is go and empower and activate my team to move. Let's go. Let's go. Service is key. The moment you partner, please, the number one activity you bring on your business is service. Say service. Listen, when you join this business, don't be looking up. Upline, help me. Upline, why? I need spillover. Now, anyone who walks looking up, when he reaches a ditch, will he be able to jump it? You fall. Most people are still number 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 because upline is wicked. Upline is not calling me. This upline is changing cars. This upline is not helping me. This upline is not. Listen, as long as your eyes are up, your movement will be impeded. But when you join a business, look at your team. Downlines. Who can I serve? Who can I help? Who can I help? As you're looking on them and building them, automatically you go up. So, when I write to my team, I sign off. Your chief servant officer. I'm not your star director. I'm here to serve you. Because as I'm serving them, the Bible says the greatest among you should serve. Until you serve, you can rise. Say, I will serve. This people, they don't like me. Say, I will serve. To do that, you need what I call the team spirits. Listen, what pays is teamwork. Me, every week, I have some people in my team, I have to call them. Because listen, that downline bringing PV, call the person. The day they stop, you see that week. So I called them. Where are you? Can we go for lunch? Where are you? I want to visit you. Is there any issue? Are you sick? As a family, just interact with them. Teamwork. Work with them. Let's go quickly. Let's go. Now, business is all about relationship. If you are here, you don't have good relationship with your team. You are killing your team. If there's any fight, kill it fast before it kills your business. Because PV is sweet. PV is sweet. Jason will only pay you because of PV. If you are fighting with your downlines, no good relationship, you don't talk, he will not pay you because of talking. So I beg you, go and mend it. Me, my downline, when I see you are having friction with you, I call you, what have I done wrong? I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, sorry. Please forgive me. I will kneel down because I want my PV. Say, baby! When I kneel down and I beg and I get up, I'm still Papa Solo of Africa. Nobody knows me. Nobody saw me kneel down. Even if you go and say it, I'm still Papa Solo. Relationship is what will bring the PVC. Build it. If you see any friction, somebody sees you and doesn't eye you. Oh, what have I done? What is wrong? Today your face. Hug the person. Hug. The whole month, nobody has hugged them. Hug them. Give them a peg. Be careful you don't peg people's wife. Let's go. I put here. We produce. Go. No, go back. Okay, now. God. The reason why Long Reach is unique is that we produce world-class product for over 100 famous global brands. You see, your partner you choose is very important. My partner, Long Reach, doesn't only produce for me, but they produce for other 100 companies like Adidas, Max & Spencer, Walmart, Unilever, Tesco, Lion, Avon, Elizabeth Arden, Coty, GSK, and several brands. So when they come to you, we have this new something. Ask them, who do you produce for? Because show me your friend and I'll show your character. Who you work with determines who you are. Eagles fly with eagles. Next, let's go. Next, let's go. I put here, we are the only network marketing company that has invested into real manufacture in Africa. Go and check. I'm almost done. The only network marketing company in Africa that has invested in manufacturing. Let's go, quickly. Let's go. Go again. Go. This one they know. Look at this. Then I'm done. Okay? This one is my inspiration. When I see this, I tell you, my foundation and my future is secured. I was there just a few weeks ago. Our chairman was there. The governor of Lagos, Nigeria, was there to launch it. And you know the exciting thing, South Africa is next. Listen, this is not a dream. It's being done. They are doing it. Before the end of this year, they are going to produce the first product, not complete, produce the first product out of this factory. Go, go, go. This is how it looks like. Go, go, go. Wait. Go back. I want to show you something. Go back. You see the building there? It is flat for star directors. And the chairman said the first five-star directors, they'll have the apartment there for free. Now, don't only clap. You are the one. You are the one. You are the one. Go, next. Yeah, keep going. Yeah, this is it. And the same thing is happening in South Africa. We'll do it. Keep going. It's nice. Now, my excitement. I did marketing and sales at the university. And in research and development, if your product wants to stand the test of time, it has to be researched. The reason why our product are so marvelous is that we have invested into 8 R&Ds across the world. And this is what makes us solid. France, USA, Japan, and then the rest in China. Please, I'm telling you this because when you live here, they will come to you. There's this new network. Ask them, do you have R&Ds? How many? Where? Let's go. Now, go back. This building you see there is a mall in China. That mall belongs to Long Reach. And then the apartments are for Long Reach. In China, their real estate is upward. Now, you can see a bank. We have 4 banks in China. How many banks? 4. Now, in China, when you have a bank, you don't name the bank by your name, maybe Long Reach Bank. If the bank is in Randburg, it's supposed to be Randburg Community Bank. So when you hear Changshu Rural Bank, it's for Long Reach. Let's go. And then the brands. Let's go. They know this. Let's go. Now, wait. Go back. We used to be 2.5 billion USD. Last 3 weeks in Nigeria, chairman said, now our brand status has changed for you. Now you are worth, with Long Reach, $3 billion US. That's why I said you are a billionaire. So go and change your slide. It's no more 2.5. It's now 3 billion USD. You know who you are worth? You are worth 3 billion USD in Long Reach. Just get their PVs, you get your money. Let's go. Let's go. I think this is okay. They know. Okay. Our new product. Let's go. We have this one coming. This one is coming. Let's go. They know. This one is coming. Wait. Go back. Now, listen. Please, I beg. I came from Ghana. Let me talk. Listen. Most of you know Libao. Most of you know the wine, the red wine, the liquor. Most of you know the berry oil. Now, Long Reach has gone further. And we have come, and you know cordyceps. We took cordyceps and black ginger, and we combine it. Now, this one is for men. Ladies, is for men, but it's also for you. Give it to them. Now, listen. As a man, every dawn at 4 o'clock, when you wake up, it should be like this. Here I am to worship. Here I am to bow down. Women, if your man wakes up at dawn and the thing is not like this, ask him what's happening. Why? Listen. This capsule, it is energy blend. When you take it, 72 hours is in you. You can be firing for the next 3 days without taking it, and you be okay. Now, my favorite. You know, there are some men, when they wake up this Easter, unless next year Easter, before they wake up again, it's called erectile dysfunction. The cordyceps and the black ginger is coming to solve it. So men, there's good news for us. Oh, clap for men, clap for the men. Yeah. Next. The diapers. I love this so much. After firing, babies must come. When they come, we take care of them. Next. Yeah, next. I love this so much because this one, it fights against malaria. If you take malaria, if you're someone who get malaria 2 times a year, it will cut by 50%. Now to be 1 time a year. But it's personal care product. Let's go quickly. Now, I put here, the best gift you can give yourself is stay faithful to your own goal. You see, as you are going, I won't follow you, Jason won't follow you, Vivi won't follow you, Elsie won't follow you. But you see, someone will follow you. That person is called you. You is not what I'm seeing. You is the person in you, craving to be great. And you, the cover is limiting it. So tell you to release you to make impact. So the best gift you can give yourself is to stay faithful to your own goal. Next, I put here, write your story. You see, people came to share their story. Some were crying. Please, today, write your story. I give you an assignment. Mark it. Go and write it down. Today is the beginning of my long reach journey. Forget about what I've done. Forget about the other days. Finally. You see, some people didn't come, but you came. But something will happen. When you go home and you do nothing, the person who didn't come is better than you who came. Number 2, today you got information, you got knowledge, you got understanding. You are like a doctor who knows that smoking is bad. A doctor who has information that smoking is bad. A doctor who has knowledge that smoking can cause cancer by smoking. Now, that doctor is knowledgeable, has information, has understanding, but is not wise. Because wisdom is the right application of knowledge, information, and understanding. As you are going home, there are 2 people in this room. Those who go and do. Who are they? WISDOM. They are the wisdom. And there are some people, when they go, they won't do anything. They don't even go and jump on that network. The Bible says, not me, the Bible says. Shall I say it? Pastor, okay, shall I say it? They are fools. Ladies and gentlemen, I came all the way from Ghana. Not for everybody, but for somebody. I am a web creation crusader. I am a business apostle. I carry the unction to let people come out of their downtrodden. There is somebody here that will live, and for the next 3 days you can't sleep. Embrace it. It is the beginning of your change. My name is Solomon Ababio Ajaman. God bless you, and see what I get for. Bless you all.